Take transition shade and apply above crease. Take little bit darker shade from transition shade and apply on deep crease. Take brown shade and apply on middle eyelid. Blend well. Take little bit darker shade from transition shade and do blending well on both crease line. Highlight eye duct. Take transition shade and apply on lower lash line. Take brown shade and apply on lower waterline. Blending well both line with little bit transition shade. Apply copper eye pencil on waterline. Apply mascara. Enjoy final look. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel, Bushra Imal.